Hello, everybody. We are going to take a look at how much analysts are estimating Volvo AB to grow in the next few years. We are going to look at revenue growth and earnings per share growth. And then I am going to give the stock a buy, sell, or hold rating based on the numbers and a fair price to earnings multiple according to me. If you like this concept, remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I will make more of them. You can also comment on what stock you want me to do next. I am going to take the average number of what analysts think the growth will be going forward. So first, we can see that analysts expect revenue to be $54.37 billion in 2028. That is actually a decline of 2% compared to today. When it comes to earnings per share, they expect $2.48 in 2028. That is a decline of 3.6% compared to today. Volvo stock price today is $26. That means that if you buy the stock today, you are paying a price to earnings multiple of 10.4 for 2028 earnings, if these assumptions come true. I think that is about fair for a stock that are pretty stable. I would say that a price to earnings multiple of 13 in 2028 is reasonable. So if we take $2.48 times 13, we get a stock price of $32. That means we can expect a return of 23% if these assumptions come true. That is a compounded annual growth rate of 4%. They are also paying a dividend of around 6.6% annually at the moment. So the compounded annual growth rate would be around 10% if they continue with the dividend. According to me, that is a hold on today's expectations. I do not own shares of Volvo at the moment. I would like to have a bigger upside potential before buying. I think there are better opportunities in other stocks at the moment. I would consider buying at around $20. Remember to do your own due diligence. Don't take this as investment advice, only for inspiration. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching.